Our bedroom is the most neglected room in our house. So when this showed up at my front porch, I took it as a sign that it was time for a bedroom makeover. If you don't know, Sleepyhead is the brand behind the top-rated mattress topper, trusted by over 150,000 sleepers, and they just launched their first edition 11-inch cooling memory foam mattress. With over 10 years of topper innovation and over 2,500 five-star reviews, this mattress is built on a foundation of excellence. And even my dog Willow could tell. Right away, I was struck by how soft yet supportive the memory foam was, providing the perfect amount of give, but still giving me the support I need for a comfortable night's sleep. The dual-infused gel and copper memory foam creates a cooling surface that's perfect for hot sleepers like me, and it also provides antimicrobial protection, pressure relief, and healthy spine alignment for a good night's sleep. But the best part? The cover is completely removable, so when it's time to give it a wash, you can unzip it, throw it in the washing machine, and zip it right back on. I love that this mattress foam is made in the USA, and I sleep better knowing the foam is free of harmful chemicals or metals. And now that the heart of my bedroom is brand new, it's time to bring the rest of it up to scratch, starting with the TV. I was so tired of seeing this power cable hanging off the side of the dresser, and it was only a matter of time before the stand would leave marks on our brand new furniture. So we pulled off the old TV stand that didn't quite work for our needs and replaced it with a new one. Anywhere we didn't have a stud, we made sure to use strong drywall anchors so that the TV would be securely mounted to the wall. And this is one of my favorite DIY tools, an in-wall cable concealment kit. All you have to do is cut one hole behind your TV and another down low next to the outlet. Feed the wire from the top hole to the bottom, add your covers and caps, and that's it. All that's left to do after that is connect all your power cables and hang your TV back on the wall, but this time, completely wire-free. It's such a simple upgrade to do, yet it completely changes the look of a space. I was thrilled with how it came out, but for the TV to be centered on the bed, it had to be off-centered on the wall, leaving this awkward gap on the right side. But no problem, it's nothing a faux plant can't fix. I found this beautiful faux olive tree, and it fit the space perfectly, helping the TV look a little more symmetrical on the wall, and also adding some life and color that the room was missing. Next up, the super plain builder-grade windows. You can't underestimate the power of what adding curtains can do to a plain window. All we did was attach our brackets to the studs by the edge of the window. Then we added some curtains onto our rod, added the end caps, and that was it. It didn't take very long at all, but it was such a huge change from the plain builder-grade windows to something that looked a lot more finished. After that, it was just copy and paste on the remaining two windows, and all of our windows were done. With that out of the way, it was time to dress up our nightstands. We added some new lamps to each nightstand, along with these really fun wireless phone chargers. It added so much elegance and coziness to the room, and I can't believe we waited so long to do it. Next up, I thrifted this incredible mirror on Facebook Marketplace, and it fits perfectly in this little diagonal corner of our bedroom. I can't wait to use this as our getting ready spot every morning. And last but not least, this weird little tan chair has been sitting in the corner because I didn't have anywhere better to put it. But honestly, it's making the corner feel cramped, so I moved it out of there so that corner feels a lot more open. And let me remind you where we started, with mismatched furniture, TV wires, and plain windows. And now, look at the difference. Our bedroom went from one of the ugliest rooms in the house to the one I probably want to spend the most time in. It's so relaxing and peaceful, and all of the little changes we made added up to a huge transformation. I'm so glad we took the time to finally invest in our bedroom, and none of it would have happened without the mattress that started it all. So huge thanks to Sleepyhead for sponsoring this video.